Hello guys, this is the third tutorial of Node-RED for Dummies for the Internet of Things. And today we are going to see how to make a counter with nodes. So stick around. Well, first of all we are going to inject or add an inject node. Secondly, a debug node. Third, a function. And we are going to join these nodes. Okay, if you have seen my last videos, you are familiar with these nodes, and if you are not familiar, you can check my last videos. And here we are going to type the function. Well, for bar is 0 minus. Here you can put the number you want. For example, here I'm building a counter from 0 to 399, but if you need a bigger counter, you can type it here. So this is form of doing a counter. There are a lot of forms, but today I'm going to show you this way of making a counter. Okay, we can type node send and it load e. Okay, so we see here our function is correct. You can, for example, if something is missing here, the program is going to show you if something is wrong, but if nothing is wrong, all will be okay here. So we click in done and we check our program in the debug screen. Okay, let's deploy it and inject the node. Okay. As we see here, the counter is working too fast. So in order to make the counter count, for example, every second, we are going to add a delay. And we are, this node is here, so we add the delay and we are going to make the counter to count every second. So we point here rate limit, and this is good. 1 second rate limit, and it's okay. We deploy it and inject. You can see here discounting every second. So this is the counter. You're going to need a counter for a lot of programs for your graphical interface. And we can also show the counter on the dashboard, and today we can choose, for example, a chart. We are going to show the counter on a chart. Okay, let's add to a group, to the group home. Yeah, I think that is good. Update. Here we can put name counter. Update and done. So we deploy it and let's check the dashboard. Okay, we inject and you can see it is counting according the time. It's counting through the hour. For example, right now is 2:34, and every second it is counting. You can check here another type of chart, the bar chart. Okay, deploy it, check it, inject, and you can see here the difference. Okay, now we check the other type, bar type 8. Check it, and okay, don't mind that. Oh, I closed the, sorry, I closed that. And okay, here's horizontal chart, the pie chart. Let's see, we inject. You can see here discounting through the time. The polar area chart. Well, these charts are using for another purpose, but it can be, if you like these charts, you can add this to your graphical interface. It is just to show you how to show on the dashboard in the graphical interface. Okay, we see there's nothing here, and we inject. And okay, well, I prefer the bar chart, I think, because it can count pretty well. So well, guys, this is all for today. In further videos I will use the counter, and you will see for what I am going to use this counter. So I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel.